going on, guys? It's time for another CGC unboxing. Harley Quinn is back at it again. She can't get enough of trying to guess the grades. If I can't even talk already. We just started the video. This is literally the first take. We're just gonna keep it rolling. So, anyway, guys, I got some really cool books for today's show. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and Harley Quinn. Where's your book at? Can you read it? Harley Quinn. Okay, found out her teacher is obsessed with Harry Potter, so she's been reading all the Harry Potter books. She's on book 4. What page are you on, Har? 600. She's already. These are brand new books. Look what this girl does. Beating them up. Beating them up. No, little Jimmy grabbed it and threw it. But you know me and my books. I'm like, no, don't mess it up. She's on page 600. Oh, check. Let me show you guys real quick. You guys can skip ahead if you don't want to see this family stuff. So I made Harley this awesome. Look at this Harry Potter bookmark. I don't know if you can see, but double-sided. It's got the wand and everything. All laminated bookmark. But made that for her. All right, guys. Again, book number 10 is wild. Okay, it's a book that I got off my man Sir Swole, and I hope it's gonna be a 9.8, because if not, I gotta sell it, because I hate that mostly on at least modern age books I'm a 9.8 snob. Unless it's a signed book, like older stuff, like a lot of my Tomb of Draculas are 9.2. So eventually I plan to get them in 9.8, but they're expensive in a 9.8. So we are gonna get going with book number 1. Harley Quinn, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let's see if we can guess the right grades. Whoop. Book number 1. It's my man, the Rhino, on Wolverine 32. I don't know why it couldn't be on a Amazing Spider-Man book. They're just like, we'll just throw it on Wolverine 32. Let's do it. So Alex Ross Timeless variant. Super pumped. I love these. Again, it's a modern book. We're hoping for a 9.6, 9.8. What do you think, Clark?
I think it's going to be a 9.8.
She's thinking 9.8. I'm thinking 9.8. Let's see if we're right. Booyah! First one. Why wait? Get that 9.8, baby. This is going to be for sale on Whatnot. And make sure you check out my Whatnot Trolls Comics Instagram, trolls.comics, and trollscomics.com. I'm going to have a bunch of these up for sale on there. Let's get on to book number 2. Book number 2 is Invincible, number 1. The John Boy Myers wraparound variant. I absolutely love this book. Every time I come across a copy, I grab it and I grade it. And again, we're hoping for the 9.6, 9.8. I'm hoping for the 9.8. What do you think? 9.6, 9.8?
9.8.
9.8. Let's see if Harley's right. 9.6. It's still a good grade. It's still going to be for sale. Either way, if it was a 9.8, it was going for sale, because I already got one on the wall. I love this cover. I love John Boy Myers art, and I think he crushed it on this one. Let's get on to book number 3. Book number 3. If you guys saw a couple CGC unboxings back, I sent one of these books. It's the Foil Berserker number 1, Battle Damage Whatnot Foil Edition. So I sent one in. I got it from Venomized Comics, and they sent me a virgin back inside a slab that says Whatnot Foil Edition. This is the real deal foil. You can tell, looking at it, all the blood is foily goodness. Again, we're going to look for that 9.6, 9.8. I'm hoping for a 9.8, because I got the virgin and a 9.8 already. I need the foil. What do you think, Car? 9.6, 9.8. What do you think? I'm hoping 9.8. Let's see if she's right. 9.8. It's going on the wall. We might actually put it right up on the wall right now. What do you think? All right, guys. Book number 4 coming at you. This is going to be up on the wall next. Book number 4. This is actually a customer's book. So they knew it was a lower grade, and they just love the book. It's Silverhawks 1. It is a newsstand edition. So we got it as good as we could. I was thinking so hard. This is not going to be a 9.6 or a 9.8. So I'm going to give you... So I was thinking in between like 7 and 8, maybe 6.5. Okay. So it can be either 6.5, 7, 7.5, or 8. Okay. No, sorry, notification came up. I was like, squirrel! What's going on? Where am I? So what do you think? 6.5, 7, 7.5, or 8? What do you think? 7.5. I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I was thinking it was gonna be a 7.0 when I was looking at it. So let's see who is right. Again, we both might not be right. So I could be completely off. It could be a 4.0, you know. But let's see if I'm close. Are you ready? Oh, Harley's a better grader than me. Holy hard. You guessed it right. It's 7.5. Yo, Harley's going to put me out of business, dude. Jeez. You going to get your first job at CGC? Is that what the deal is? Oh, my God. Silverhawks 1. Again, this is Dominic sent this in to me to send out for him. Dommy, I hope you're happy with the grade. Like I was quoting you before, I was thinking 7. So 7.5 is definitely a good little upgrade. Let's get on to book number 5, baby. Book number 5, we got Kang the Conqueror and another Alex Ross Timeless. This one is Avengers Forever 15. And again, Alex Ross variant cover. I love these covers. Let's see. Again, this is a brand new book. Should be a 9.8. What do you think, Harley Quinn? Thinking 9.8. All right. I'm thinking 9.8. Let's go for it. Wham, wham, wham. I don't know why on these white covers they always ding me. I don't understand. This book is brand freaking new. I know. Grading is subjective. But we're not going to stress. Again, this can be for sale, baby. This is not a customer copy. So make sure you check out Whatnot or Instagram or maybe we'll start doing some eBay, too. I got some bigger books to put on some eBay. Everywhere. Charles Comics. Again, let's get to book number 6. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Book number 6. We got Carnage 12. It's really hella on the cover. Another Alex Ross Timeless. Again, we're hoping for that 9.8. What do you think, Harley Quinn? 9.6, 9.8? Or I don't know. Could be whatever with these white covers. Apparently. Thinking 9.6. All right. Let's see who's right. $9.6. You know what? You just know. You just know because every white cover lately I've been getting 9.6 is hardly like, it's a 9.6 problem. All right. Again, for sale. Bummer on that, but we're gonna keep it rolling. Book number 7 coming up. All right, guys. Book number 7. This is the foil. This ain't the regular one. This is the Whatnot foil. My man, Battle Beast. I love me some Battle Beast. Skybound X25 Battle Beast Whatnot foil edition. Again, I already have a full set of these on my wall. I sent another set out. So either way, they're going to be for sale. So we're going to hope for the 9.8 though for resale ability. But let's get started. Are you ready, Harley? What do you think? 9.6, 9.8, 9.4, 9.2, 9.0. They've been doing me dirty with these white backgrounds. Thinking 9.6. I'm hoping 9.8.
I go for 9.8, but I think
Okay. Let's see what we got. 9.8. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Book number 8 coming up at you. We got another Battle Beast coming up. Book number 8. It's another Battle Beast.
Another one.
This one is the Virgin Skybound X25. Again, I already have a set of these on my wall, so this is strictly to sell. I love these covers, though. A lot of people do, too. But again, I've been getting dinged on any white cover, so I don't know. The last one was 9.8, though. So what do you think, Harley Quinn? Do you think we're getting 9.6 or 9.8 on this big boy? 9.8, because the last one was 9.8. I don't know if that's the way to go. All right, I'm going to go 9.6 this time. I'm going to say 9.6. I don't know. All right, you're going 9.8? All right, let's see. Oh, Harley Quinn. Best of me again. Harley Quinn, we got 9.8, baby. This will be for sale. We got another Battle Beast coming up next. Different one. Are you ready? Book number 9 coming at you right now. Book number 9 is another Battle Beast.
Another one.
But this is the sketch one. This is the one, I think it's only 500 copies in the world. Harley Quinn. In the world. Dun, dun, dun. But, yeah. I'm hoping for a 9.8. Again, I already have one on the wall. You might be able to see it back behind Harley's head. Right next to Omni-Man. So this won't be for sale. No matter what. What do you think, Har? 9.6, 9.8. Again, it's an all-white cover.
It's all
It's all white.
white. It's all white. Are you saying?
I'm going to say 9.6.
Yeah, 9.6.
You're saying 9.6 too? All right, let's see. Oh, we're both wrong, but in a good way. Let's go. We got the 9.8. Guys, I'm super pumped on the next one. The next one has to be a 9.8, though. It has to be, or I'm going to freak out. Book number 10 is coming out right meow. Guys, book number 10.
Adam Eve.
Invincible number 2, Adam Eve. I'm super pumped. Shout out to my boy, Sir Swole. I got this off him for a crazy deal. Make sure you follow Sir Swole on Whatnot. Amazing human being, family guy. And let me see if I can move this a little bit. There's a little glare. There we go. See your face a little bit. Oh, here, you stand back a little bit. Get that a little bit. There we go. All right, whatever. Anyway, I was like, oh, it's gone. And then Harley was like, it moved. All right. It's still not in her face now. Guys, this book needs a 9.8. Okay, there's a spot on the wall ready for right next to Mark. Okay. After this, I need to chase the Virgin of this. And then I don't have the sketch in the Omni-Man. I don't have the sketch in the Mark. And I don't have the foils either, the gold foils of this. They're way too crazy. But I do love these. And if I can find them at a decent price, I'll eventually get them. But right now, it's sink or swim right now. Either we get the 9.8 and it goes on the wall, or we get the 9.6 and it's just going to go for sale, and then I'm just going to be back at it chasing again. Which I love the chase. But again, my man Sir Swole sent this. He super packaged it up where no damage. So fingers crossed on this one. Fingers crossed, chat. Are you ready? We're going for the 9.8. I'm not even going to ask you what you think, because it's got to be the 9.8, right?
Yep. It's 9.8. Come on.
All
I know
right.
it's a white cover, but it's 9.8.
Oh my goodness! I'm so happy, Harley.
9.8.
I'm so happy. Look at her face.
9.8.
Oh my God! Calm down. Your brother's sleeping upstairs. I'm very excited as well, Harley. I'm glad that you enjoy being excited with me and you're excited for me. This girl's amazing, man. I love you, Harley. Guys, Adam Eve is going on the wall. 9-8. Man, I'm so happy. Super happy. Again, we got to chase down the virgin copy now, huh? Shout out again to my man Sir Swole. Guys, if you love the content, make sure you hit the like, slap the subscribe, follow us on whatnot here on YouTube and anywhere that you see Trolls Comics. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Peace. 9-8 R.
9-8.
Later, guys.